Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how cosmetics cream made from animal bones is produced, step by step.
Through controlled heating and filtration, valuable collagen compounds are carefully extracted.
We have an amber alert on the temperature gauge.
Ramping down the regulators now. Looks stable.
Each formula is balanced to ensure texture, stability, and skin safety. Every batch undergoes strict quality testing before approval.
And that's how cosmetics and cream made from animal bones is produced, from start to finish.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours and process documentaries.